Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many requests. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go too many requests, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. Then in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. I don't have here update, but when you'll find it in this blue sign you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.